Here is another question that one of our viewers had. They wanted to know what the maximum angle could be for a sloping riser. And according to one of our popular building code books, it is 30 degrees. I will put a link to this particular building code. I'll provide you with a reference number and the building code book it came out of in the video description area. So 30 degrees, and that will be from the bottom of the nosing. And in this example here, the farthest protruding point forward that would represent our nosing would be right here. We could take our 30-degree angle from this point here. However, in this example here, we would need to lower that a little bit. If we had a nosing that looked like this, we would need to come from the bottom of it. And if we look at the measurement here, we're about 2 11/16 inches away from the vertical measurement coming off of the front of the stair step. And in this one here, we're about 4 1/16 inches with a 7-inch rise and a 10-inch tread depth. And of course, this measurement will get longer if the risers are taller and will become smaller as the risers decrease in height. And I don't think that the length or depth of the tread is going to affect this at all, as long as each one of the treads are the same size for each step in the flight of stairs. And of course, the most common angle you're going to find, and I've built hundreds of stairways like this, is going to be around 8 degrees. And that's going to be a 1-inch undercut, or a 1-inch increase in depth of the stair tread, due to the angle of the riser on each one of the steps in that particular flight of stairs.